guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe video, and for today I'm sharing one recipe of cookie, a basic recipe of cookie that you can turn into one basic recipe for dough, cookie dough, and in the end you can use this cookie dough and turn it into other cookies, various cookies. For this session or for this time, I'm gonna share you how I made 4 different cookies using this one basic dough. But I'm gonna separate the video because it takes a little bit time of showing the different cookies, the 4 cookies. So for cookie number 1, it is pineapple jam filled cookies, and in Indonesia it is known as Nastar. I'll see you soon again. Bye. Stay inside. So I have one pineapple here. We're just gonna skin it, and then we're gonna core the middle part, or we're gonna slice it and then remove the middle part, and then you can either blender it in electric blender or blender, or you can use your grater. Either way is fine. With blender you will produce jam that is very smooth, no fiber whatsoever, which some people love it, and some people would prefer with the fiber, so they would opt grating it. They would grate it instead using electric blender. It's all up to you whether you want smooth jam or smooth filling or with fiber. So today I'm gonna make the smooth filling. I'm gonna slice them or chop them, and then I'm gonna use the electric blender to produce pineapple juice. Not really juice, because you will still get the texture on it, but yeah, I'm gonna use the electric blender today instead grating it myself. So wash clean your pineapple and slice them as so, and then just place the pieces enough inside your blender. Growing up, my mom loves making the filling with fiber, so she would just grate it. And sometimes when I make I make my own, I would either grate or use the electric blender. When I feel like fibers, I grate them. When I feel like very smooth filling, I would blender them. So it's all again up to you. Now you can either remove with the blender. You can either remove the hard part or middle part of the pineapple. Then you will need strainer, because there would be some chunks. Otherwise, when you remove it, you don't really need the strainer. Once you produce the smoothie, juice smoothie, yes, just place it on non-stick pan, and then add a generous pinch of cinnamon powder and 1/3 cup of sugar and a pinch of salt, and we're just gonna cook it until thickening. While it's cooking, you want to stir it once a while so it doesn't really stick to the bottom. Once mixture is fully boiling fully, it will start to splatter, and this is the time when you want to cover with lid and turn down the heat or the stove power into medium, and don't forget to still stir it once a while. So just keep stirring or cooking until super dry, like no more liquid, and jam is moldable. Once the mixture totally dried or absorbed the liquid gone, and when you pull it, it holds its shape like this. It's shaped like this. Turn it off and let it cool completely to room temperature before you use it as a filling for the cookies. So we're gonna cream our butter first. This is about 1 pound, 454 grams of unsalted butter. room temperature, so we're just gonna cream it first. Then add in about 3/4 cup of icing sugar. Then add in 3 yolks, but 1 yolk at a time. So every 1 yolk, you beat it or cream it. Also add in about 1 teaspoon of vanilla, Mexican vanilla blend. That's 1 teaspoon. This is optional, but I like it with my cookies. Once butter is mixed together and creamed, add in all-purpose flour a little at a time. And just fold it until they are completely combined and nice dough is formed. Once dough is formed, it's really nice and soft. Divide into portion like so, using a cookie scoop or ice cream scoop, just a small size. Now grab one, shape into round, and then flatten it a bit, and we're gonna place the pineapple jam in the center, like so, and then pull all the sides to the center and seam to seal, so you're shaping it into a round cookies like so, and then just shape them into nice round balls and place it on your baking pan. Once shaped and filled, brush the top with beaten egg yolk, and your cookies ready to be baked. Once brushed with yolk, bake at 350 Fahrenheit until cookies done. Cookies ready.